How do I do this? There we go. Okay, so normally when I want to edit, I press
Not eat it
play.
ever again.
I do this to fast forward.
Everybody
I
that
click on
watches
the scrubber, and you can go forward and backward. So I fast forward, fast forward. But you can do that with L, with the keyboard shortcut, J, K, and L. So I'm pressing L and I'm going forward. K to stop, L to forward, K to stop. You can go backwards with J, forwards with L. K to stop. Press spacebar to play. Enter to stop where you are. Yeah, I guess that's it. It's just that's the trick I wanted to show. And in order to set up, normally like the fastest rate is 20 times, and by default J, K, and L can only go up to 4 times, so it's much slower forward progression. But I went to um, options, preferences, editing, JK/shuttle speed. It was set to medium. I put it on fast. Press apply, click OK, and then you'll be able to get the full times 20 speed rate with your playback. And if you don't want it at a full times 20, you can click J, K, and L. Okay, K stops it. You can press J for 1 time speed, so that's forward. You can go 1.5 by pressing J again. Press it again, it goes to 2. Press it again, goes to 4. Press it again, goes to 10. Press it again, goes to 20. And then you can press L to go in reverse, or K to stop it. So yeah, it's a pretty cool system. Also, if you press K and then you press L, you can actually it treats it like a knob. You can go granularly all the way up to 20 if you press and hold K while pressing L, or tapping L. I'm tap 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 tap. You can see it going up slowly faster. And then you can press J and see it's going slower and slower because I got K held and I'm tapping J. And the rate's going down, 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 down. So it treats it just like a volume knob. It's really cool. Now I can go all the way back. So JK and L are really awesome. And you don't have to use your mouse that way. That's what I'm excited about. So that's my Sony Vegas tricks for you guys to enjoy.